Okay, I have reactant, I have gas stream. Okay, so this is how we measure rate of reaction. Okay, and how do you measure rate of reaction? You need to measure the gas produced here. So your product, right, must have gas. Any product that with no gas, you can cut it out. Answer is A. P is hydrated metal salt with blue color. Okay, hydrated metal salt with blue color. I know that blue color is definitely my cobalt. What cobalt? My copper 2 plus, right? Okay, so it's my copper 2 plus, and heated water is given off, so it must be hydrated. Okay, and hydrated salt is pink color when it's heated. Water is given off. Okay, in fact, this is your hydrated copper 2 sulfate, right? Okay, so my answer is C. Okay, and this is used to test H2O. Yeah. Okay, next, let's continue. Magnesium reacts with copper 2 oxide, giving magnesium oxide and copper. Okay, which substance is oxidizing agent? Let me construct the equation for you guys. Copper oxide plus magnesium. I'm getting magnesium oxide plus copper, right? Okay, so can you see that Cu has undergo reduction? And can you see that Mg has undergo oxidation? Okay, when Mg undergo oxidation, okay, so they are acting as a reducing agent. When CuO undergo reduction, they are acting as an oxidizing agent. Answer is copper 2 oxide. Okay, Kenya,